Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Uber subscription. You could do this on your MacBook, laptop or regular PC computer on the Uber website. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on Uber app. First step is going to be here on Uber app homepage. You want to click on the top right hand corner or you can see the little person icon. Then you want to maybe scroll down a little bit until you see Uber One. Go ahead and click on the Uber One section. Then once you are in there, you will want to scroll down at the Uber One section here. Then click on Manage Membership. Then wait for load. Then you should see at the bottom of this Manage Membership page, it should say End Membership. Click on End Membership. Then let's go ahead and click on whatever reason you want to there. It doesn't matter which one. And then you want to click Continue. Once you click on one of those things, you can put in a bit tell them more, and it's going to give you a 90% offer. But if you don't want it, click on End Membership, and then as soon as that's done, it's going to end your membership. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.